Class 10th, subject biology, chapter number 16, pollution. Pollution is a very rising environmental problem. Today we will discuss about pollution, its type of pollution. First pollution type, that is air pollution. Now, before starting of the pollution, one definition is there, that is what is waste. Waste is any material which is unwanted material that causes waste. Unwanted or undesirable material or substance resulting from industries, commercial mining, and industrial operations or from the community activities cause the waste. Waste can be divided into two parts, that is biodegradable waste and non-biodegradable waste. Biodegradable waste is that waste which can be broken down into a harmless or non-toxic substance, which is broken down by a microorganisms, whereas a non-biodegradable waste is that waste which cannot be broken down into a simpler waste by any microorganism. It includes plastics, metallic cans, glass, electronic waste, also include non-biodegradable waste, and this accumulation of this type of waste result in a pollution. Now pollution means addition of any such constituent to the air, water or land which deteriorates the natural quality of the environment is called pollution. Whereas a pollutant is any constituent which arise from these air, water or land is called pollutant, which cause the pollution is called pollutant. Types of pollution, 5 types: air, water, soil, radiation and noise. Now first we will do air pollution. Air pollution means quality of the air degrade with the certain activities of living organisms. And type of air pollution is gaseous as well as particulate. Gaseous, it includes harmful gases like carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide and carbon monoxide. And gaseous pollution, it also include harmful gases which comes out from the various sources. Now, sources of air pollution. It may be natural, it may be man-made. Natural sources includes that is the burning of volcanoes. It also includes dust from the storms and forest fires. Whereas the man-made sources includes the garbage industries. This can be controlled, but natural sources we can't control. Now, first of this is vehicular. Vehicular means that the air pollution arises from the vehicles, that is by car, buses, trucks and all the roadways. That is includes vehicular air pollution, and again it releases harmful gases into the environment, that is carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide and carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide also cause poisoning in our hemoglobin, that is called carboxyhemoglobin, which is very dangerous, and it also includes our health problems like asthmatic problems also. How can we control vehicular air pollution? It can be controlled by using efficient engines, good quality automobile fuels, lead-free petrol, and by the use of CNG. You know what is CNG? CNG means compressed natural gas. Now next is there industries like which type of industries are there? Sugar factories, metal factories, automobile manufacturing, drug manufacturers, that all produces harmful gases into the environment, and smoke also, which includes particulate pollutant. Now next is there smog. Mixture of smoke as well as fog is called smog. It is very harmful to plants as well as it is very harmful to human beings also. It causes asthma and allergies in human beings. Now next is air burning garbage. When we burn the garbage, it also releases harmful gases into the environment, which also include that is harmful gases as well as particulate air pollution in the form of a smoke. Now brick kiln. Brick kiln mean into ke bhatte, mean when bricks are made by using clay. Some smoke is released, that is also very harmful to the environment, and some also pollutants are also added into the environment. Now you have to do progress check by your own, and next we will do water pollution afterwards. Thank you.